Yo, what's up guys? This is Paul from Sons of Suds. I'm down here at riip Beer Company in the heart of Huntington Beach. They are the recent winner of the silver medal for their IPA Super Cali. It's an amazing place down here. It's also one of the toughest categories to say. Check this out. There's Ryan right there. This is an awesome wife. Got their Growler refill. They got their awesome beer. You got some sweet swag you can check out. Need to pick you up some of this, some of that. Get your Growler refill over here. Check this out. All this awesome swag. Hey look, who's that guy? Who's that guy right there? So come down to Huntington Beach, come down to riip Beer Company and get yourself some of the best beer here in Huntington Beach and say hi to Ryan himself. There you go. Thanks guys. It's Paul from Sons of Suds.